I'm surrounded by the beauty of Hardbord Village in South Annex, one of Toronto's most prized tree-lined neighborhoods, and it's right here that we'll be touring a home that embodies this lifestyle and community. This is 30 Ulster, located on a quiet street overlooking Margaret Fairley Park, where mature trees, a playground, and a splash pad create a picturesque and a family-friendly setting. This 2.5-story elegant Victorian semi offers 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with soaring ceilings reaching up to 10.5 feet on both the main and second floors, creating an impressive sense of scale, light, and architectural grandeur throughout. This location puts you in the center of some of the city's best restaurants, coffee shops, art and culture, On Bloor West, Hardbord Street, and College Street. Living in Hardbord Village with a perfect 100 transit score and dedicated bike lanes along beautiful tree-lined streets, you'll enjoy effortless access to the University of Toronto campus, and Queen's Park. The Annex, one of the city's most captivating and culturally vibrant areas with unique independent boutiques, cozy cafes, lively cultural venues, and exciting nightlife. Little Italy, with its iconic food scene and annual events like the Taste of Little Italy Festival, highlight the neighborhood's traditions through food, music, and street vendors. Kensington Market, with a vibrant, eclectic atmosphere, a variety of international cuisine, and a car-free pedestrian Sundays in the summer. The Royal Ontario Museum and the Art Gallery of Ontario, and so much more. Live your best life right here at 30 Ulster Street.